on, beautiful people? It's your girl Treasureelise, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So as you can see, my hair is popping. The curls are absolutely beautiful, so you know what that means. Today is going to be a hair review. Now I am collaborating with the amazing company CutiePieTresses, and they were so kind enough to send me this gorgeous kinky curly U-part wig. Guys, when I tell you I am in love, I'm so in love right now, only because I am a natural headed girl. I do have the kinks and curls in my hair, and sometimes it can just be very kind of hard to find a wig that mimics my natural hair. But listen, I found the one. I finally found the perfect wig where I can leave my hair out, you know, still have that very natural hairline. I don't have to deal with any lace glue. I don't have to deal with any lace showing, and I can still achieve a very natural, beautiful look. So once you receive your CutiePieTresses, your hair will come in this really cute drawstring bag, and the hair will have a net over it, so be sure to take that net off. But the bag was so freaking cute. I literally fell in love with the logo, and this is going to be the hair straight out of the package. So it is in its natural state. It is super thick but very, very soft. Oh my god, guys, I am like falling in love. Here's a close-up of the 18-inch kinky curly wig in the color 1B. So this wig will come with one comb in the nape area and 3 clip-in combs that open and close at the top of the wig. You also get 2 adjustable straps in the back of the wig. If this is your first time purchasing from CutiePieTresses, then no worries. They do provide you with an entire hair guide on how to take care of your new extensions. You can also find their social media platforms to contact them on the back. Plus 2 additional wig clips if needed. I just have a little bit of the side left on each side. Show you, this is my natural curl right here. This is what I am working with, so I think it is going to match the U-part wig perfectly. So let's go ahead and style the wig now. Guys, so you just want to make sure that the adjustable straps at the bottom are strapped in pretty tight to your liking. All right, and you also want to make sure all of your clips are completely open. I'm gonna start towards the back where I have my hair kind of left out, and you can hear it close, so that way you know for sure that the clips are nice and snug. All right, there we have it. So that is the easiest thing. And guys, if you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell the curls are matching my curls very, very well. So I'm super excited about that. So the idea is you just basically want to go ahead and you basically just want to hide the track area. So you're going to comb your hair over. First, I'm going to go across like this, just so we can make sure that back piece, and I'm going to add some gel to my natural hair to make sure my curls are super defined. And I'm just going to brush that in. I'm going to add some gel, and I love how this is blending in, guys. This is crazy. This looks really, really good, I must say. And I'm just gonna take this brush here, and I can do this just because the hair is still pretty much damp. It's still a little wet. I'm going to kind of train my curls to blend in with the U-part wig itself. So let's add some gel over here just to kind of smooth out my natural hair, and I'm gonna brush that straight in. That way it kind of, you know, falls right into the U-part wig. So this is blending so well. I am loving this, guys. This looks so freaking good. And this literally took me less than 10 minutes to go ahead and do. But we want to make sure the one in the back, the comb in the back is also tucked in. So super duper easy. Now I think I can always wear it out like this if I want to. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so I can show you guys the curls. Put a little bit more gel in just to kind of define everything. But look at this. This is amazing. my curl mixed in with the CutiePieTresses curl. It looks so natural. And you can always twist in your real hair with the actual U-part hair. Wow. Look, this is crazy. So the style that I'm gonna go for today is gonna be like 2 pieces pulled back. But before I do that, I am going to use a bobby pin and kind of secure the sides. And maybe secure the back just so I feel a little bit more comfortable with the wig itself. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so as you see, I took a very small section of my hair. I'm gonna smooth it out as much as possible, and I'm basically going to take this, make sure I still have some hair out in the front, and I'm going to kind of do like, sort of like a flat twist towards the back. And once we get to the back, we are going to go ahead and bobby pin it. You wanna make sure all that hair is back there. And any other pieces that were not in that little flat twist, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just finger comb. That way I just have it a little bit more defined over here. You see how simple this style was, and I absolutely love it. My natural hair literally blends in perfectly. The hair is so, I love it. It's so lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my head, and that's what I love about this U-part wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. All I really had to do was wet my natural hair, kind of wet the wig just to define the curls, fill in a little bit of gel, and bam. Some bobby pins later, and I have an entire style. Now obviously for you people that may want to do a ponytail, you can definitely still achieve this look with a ponytail. You'll just leave a little bit more hair out on the sides and kind of like whip it up. Since it is the U-part, you probably want to leave just a little bit on the nape area, but you do not need to. CutiePieTresses is actually a newer company, and I believe my favorite thing about the company is that they cater to the natural hair. So if you ladies like ponytails, clip-ins, lace weaves, U-part wigs like myself, I wear absolutely everything, and I love that I can like still achieve that very natural, you know, keep my curls, but I could do either a protective style or just have my hair out like now. So I love that they cater to the natural hair community, and all of their hair on their entire line is 100% virgin human hair. No more dealing with synthetic hair and the curls don't last. Listen guys, this wig is definitely worth it. I love, love, love it. So I want to give you guys a 360 angle. This is obviously after I styled the wig. I did utilize the 3 clips, including the small little comb in the nape area. So I know you guys are probably wondering, like, a beautiful wig like this is probably so expensive, but no, let me tell you, you're getting excellent quality grade hair with amazing, you know, construction of the cap itself. So it's not expensive, and you get to save some money if you use my personal code Treasureelise. I'm gonna leave that down in the description box as well. Make sure you use the coupon code Treasureelise to kind of save some coins. That way you can purchase, you know, your tresses. You can do a ponytail, clip-ins, U-part wig, a lace wig, but be sure to use that code. Remember to use that code, girl. So thank you so much to CutiePieTresses for sponsoring and giving me this amazing wig. Ladies, be sure to go head over to their website, check out their social media. That way you are informed whenever they have new releases, whenever they have any sales. Make sure you guys head over to their website and check out their entire hairline. Once you make your purchase using my coupon code, make sure you go ahead and put up your own review. That way we can share this knowledge that finally there's a company out there that can cater to our beautiful, juicy, luscious curls. So thank you so much, ladies, for watching this amazing hair review from CutiePieTresses. If you have any comments, tips, or advice, be sure to leave me a comment down below, or you can go ahead and shoot me a DM on any of my social media platforms. I am going to be leaving all of the great information regarding this wig and CutiePieTresses down below in the description box. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you ladies next time. Mwah. Bye.